Well, this is just a very brief video. I've started working on a concept that I had been contemplating for some time. It's very different. There won't be much in this video, just a brief sneak preview. The idea is I wanted to create a battery system that's basically just using the chemistry of the batteries, so the cells, and the idea is not so much to be pumping charge into them to discharge, but to just rely on the electrochemistry to create enough to run an LED and an oscillator. So this was step one. I also have plans to make it have a wireless charging option, which is all part of the experiment. So I fully drained this system. Now this isn't a lead acid battery. It's actually got 21 lithium-ion cells in it that I've got 7 in series, 3 in parallel, basically 7 by 3. But all fully drained until they're absolute dead, like fully shorted out. But their natural potential is around about 1 volt or something like that. So leaving them to gradually rise again, they will provide a voltage, but certainly not much current. Now, so in its natural state right now, from the negative terminal, it's going via an LED, okay, and then off to an NE555 timer oscillator, and then back to the positive, right? Now, the output from the 555 timer, the signal output, is going to an inductor where it then creates 2 equal and opposites of the signal, and that's going to this green and white wire. I might imagine them to be a parallel transmission line or a balanced transmission line, and that goes inside the battery system. Now inside the battery system, so I've got, like I said, 7 cells in series, 3 in parallel, so 3, 6, 9, 12, so on. I've got it configured similar to a Cockcroft-Walton voltage multiplier. So either side of each cell, I've got a push-pull with diodes, but from each side. And so the idea is with the balanced signal, when a positive voltage is applied on a push-pull of the diodes at one side, a negative is applied at the other. So let's say it has to go through one to the positive side of a cell and through to try and charge it, and then out the negative side, which is being applied a negative at that time, and they're oscillating. So the timer is essentially generating a very weak signal that sustains the charge on each individual cell. And so this is it now running naturally at rest, okay? And as you can see, it's got about 4.4 volts DC under load, and the load is the LED and the NE555 timer, okay? Now, watch this. This is quite interesting. I'll just... this is not designed for VHF, but I'll just transmit on a handy talkie near the system, and this is not set up yet for wireless yet. Now you just watch the multimeter. Oh, hang on. Alright, stop it there. But as you can see, that charge, now it's dropping back down, but it has the wireless charging capability. And this is not set up for that. This is very early stages, but just a very interesting experiment. I just thought I'd share that. I've been very quiet lately when it comes to my channel. So, I've got a long way to go with this, but hopefully I'll do some updates soon and see how it goes. But I am very pleased now to be able to run the LED and the 555 timer from this system kind of infinitely until the actual materials break down, basically. So no need for charge. It can run a signal. This is about 500 kilohertz, and an LED just continuously. 7.3, and thanks for watching.